Hey friend, if you want to know what a balcony cabin looks like here on Wonder of the Seas, I'm in cabin 9556 and I will show you what it looks like. But one special feature that I've seen in cruise ship cabins before, but it's been a while. So far that I don't even remember when and where I saw it before. But it's very unique. So let's go check it out. Also, I was in a different cabin. I'm on this sailing for 3 cruises. I was here before for 3 cruises, went on Radiance, and now I'm back. I also had a balcony, nope, I had an ocean view cabin. 2 ocean view cabins and 1 interior cabin on Wonder. And none of those cabins had this feature. Let me show you. So 9556 is the front starboard side of the ship, forward starboard side. And this is what the cabin looks like when you first walk in. So let me show you a little bit more in detail. And we're just gonna go around in a circle. Here is our floor to ceiling, what's that called? Mirror. This desk here, just like in the other cabins, it does come out. As a matter of fact, this is my second round. I had this table over there. I'm gonna put it back over there. Yeah, so I can work from my bed on my laptop. But yeah, it has lots of power. Don't worry about not being able to put an extension cord. You should have plenty of power. There are 3 US outlets, and of course this is the light. So I don't know who told them that content creators was going to be in this room, but I like this light better than the ones on the rectangle mirrors. And here is our fridge. It does a pretty good job, even though it's just a cooler. It still works good as a fridge. 4 drawers right there, a drawer right here. Of course, space to do stuff. I like to have these little knobs. That's what I'm calling them. I don't know what the real terminology is for them, but I like that they have those knobs there. And the TV, it does pull out. There's a magnet that keeps it in place, but you can pull it out. So if you're sitting on the sofa, then yeah, you'll be able to see it just fine. I was in this cabin for 3 days already, and now I'm going to be on a 4-day. I don't like that they put the phone over here. So if you're a solo person, right, why are you putting the phone and the light switch over here? Like, I don't know. As a solo person, let me know. Do you sleep on the side of the bed close to the door, or do you sleep on the side of the bed close to the balcony? For me, I'm sleeping on the side close to the door. Not really even the door. I'm sleeping on the side that's close to the bathroom. Old people problems. So why is the light switch and phone on this side? Now granted, I have learned that the phones have a super long cord, and I will be able to just move it over there. I didn't move it for last cruise for whatever reason. I don't think I ordered room service, so it didn't really matter. And then you have extra closet space here. I actually haven't even used this. So your safe is in there. Some closet space over here on the right. 2 more drawers, and I like the shelves. I don't like how the door swings out by the bed because, hey, if I'm sitting on the edge of the bed and I just want to reach over and grab something, I can't do that. So yeah, I wish the door swung out the other way. And I guess a 3rd person maybe can sleep in here. That's not a sofa bed. But these pillows, you can see this one is already moved. They do come all the way out. So you can remove all of those pillows. And in one of my other cabins, I just spread my luggage out because it was a 3-day cruise. I took all these pillows and stuck them in the closet and put my luggage on here. Let me see. Let's move my luggage over a little bit. Yeah. And then we can see this other closet. Boom, bam. Yes, they automatically gave me a robe, but not sure if I'm going to go get in the pool or hot tub this cruise. Again, these are 3 and 4 day sailings here on Wonder of the Seas. The what is that? Temperature control. Of course, you can't turn it off, but you can make it cooler or warmer. And before I go to the balcony, I'm gonna show you what this bathroom looks like. All the regular features of what you would see in one of the more modern Royal Caribbean cruise ships. If you are new to Royal Caribbean, then you might not know about these loops. Where is it? Right there. The loops on the towel. So when you're using these towels, you can they want you to save water, right? So just hang them up there so they don't have to wash unnecessarily. Some towels, I mean, what are you using the big towels for? To dry off. By the time you dry off, you're already clean. So the cool feature that I don't recall ever seeing before in the bathroom is, look what I have. A rain shower head. How stinking cool is that? I still have the clothesline, right? Still have my two little, well, this one only has one. I thought my other one had two shells for towels and things like that. We got the all-in-one hair and body wash and a little footrest. But so I had to ask my cabin steward, how do I do this? Because I didn't see a button for the rain shower head. And long story short, when you turn the water on, you go one way for the regular. For the regular shower head. And then you turn it towards you for the rain shower head. Boom, bam, baby. Yes. We are high cotton up in here. Wonder of the seas. All right, let me show you. Get up out this bathroom. Let me just show you what the balcony looks like. It's a little bit smaller than the balcony that I had on Symphony of the Seas. A little bit smaller, but I think it gets the job done. I've only come out here once on my last cruise for like maybe 10 minutes, and it was just to record a video and come back inside. I don't know why I'm not a balcony person. They do have this little, oops, you can't see what I'm, there we go. They do have this little latch thing here to make sure that your door is locked. And unlock it this way. I think it's still locked, like, so that's a lock right there. And then this is an extra lock, okay? So unlock it, pull it here. My cabin steward said that when this is down, your thermostat for the temperature, the heat and the cool will work. They said that when this is turned, that's what they said. I don't know if I believe it or not. Doesn't really matter for me. Well, no, it says it here too. So I guess they weren't just making it up. It says, can we see it? It's kind of dark right there. For your comfort, door must be locked for air conditioning to operate. So I guess they weren't making it up. They said the air conditioner will not work if you don't have this door closed all the way and you don't have this latch turned to the lock setting. So again, I'm always in my cabin, so it doesn't matter to me. But yeah, here we go. I'll take a picture of that. But yeah, here's the balcony. Just enough for the 2 chairs and a little mini table. And for those of you who like your morning coffee, that's your spot. All right, so this didn't take us long at all, right? So yeah, there you have it, cabin 9556 here on Wonder of the Seas. This is what the balcony cabin looks like. Is there any other thing? There is another light thing here. Let me show you that. So this light switch here goes to, there's an extra little light up here, right? So that's that. What else? I think that's pretty much it. If I forgot something, you have a question about something, drop it down in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. But I think that is it. So Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. And I hope to see you on the next cruise.